Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the parking brake is fully released and the pedal moves freely. This rules out a mechanical trigger. Next, open the hood and inspect the brake fluid reservoir. Low fluid often lights the dashboard warning. Once done, visually check ABS and brake sensor connectors near the master cylinder for loose wires or corrosion. A disconnected sensor trips the light. Take pictures if unsure so you can compare before and after you reattach or tighten connections. Now test the electrical path. Start by checking the brake light fuse in the fuse box. If uncertain, swap it with an identical fuse from another circuit to see if the light changes. Then inspect the brake pedal switch at the pedal arm. Make sure it actuates when you press the pedal because an out-of-adjustment switch leaves the light on. Use a multimeter to verify continuity when the pedal is pressed. Replacing or adjusting the switch is inexpensive and usually solves persistent warnings. Finish by addressing any sensor faults. Clean corroded connectors and replace a damaged ABS or brake fluid level sensor if necessary, because a failing sensor sends false warnings. Once you repair or replace parts, clear codes with an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner to reset the dashboard. This confirms the fault doesn't immediately return. Finally, test drive safely and rescan if the brake light relights. If it does, prioritize professional diagnostics. Intermittent faults can mask.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.